What the fuck is this playing? Where is this? Where is this playing from? Fuck. Oh god. Why people hate Asmongold? Anyway, at least that one's working. Let's check this one. No, I want to play on this PC. Not my phone. Play on this computer. That looks better. I set this to default. There we go, baby. Nope. Oh, that's fucking useless. Wow. Alright. In honor of all of the government employees all of the US government employees who have gotten absolutely, oh my god, I'm very red. All of the government employees that have done absolutely nothing over the last week. My last stream last night, I got virtually nothing done. So shout out to government employees doing absolutely nothing and still trying to collect that bag, because I get it, man. I get it. Anyway, we're probably trying to pick up where we left off last night. I'm not too sure exactly where I left off last night. So let's just jump straight back, not into that one, into this one. Probably, there we go. Whoop. If you ever see me looking down to the screen to the right, left, I both have OSRS and chat open down there. Because believe it or not, I actually only have one monitor, which is slightly inconvenient. Not too much of a fan of this song. Let's drop some, let's see what this song is. Not really the vibes that I'm going for today. Let's just smash out the Discover Weekly and see what we got. Let's just see where this goes. Let's see what we got. What am I doing? Boom, boom, boom. Let's pop this bad boy open and just get right back into, actually, what branch am I on? It's probably the first thing I need to check. I'm on main. Let's just check. Homepage video carousel was the last thing that I was working on. I don't know if I merged that in, so let's not merge that in yet. We're gonna need to crack open, let's get rid of all of this, a new branch. Kill that one as well. And I was just sussing queso on stream charts. So let's kill all of these, kill that one as well. That was just fucking around with the thing. What's it? Submittable video lists on our homepage. I'm going to say that this is in progress because it's definitely not done. And the live status and navigation also isn't done. But let's move up this one. And yes. And subscriptions. Because that's what we're going to be aiming to finish off today. It's just the subscriptions, the donations, and then we're gonna shill this shit hard as fuck, boy. Try and make some moolah, make some dollars. Get that bag, so to speak. Alright, so I need to make a new branch. First things first. I'm hoping that I didn't just make the changes on one of these branches. Let's check main. Yeah, that looks like it's been merged in. Cool, so that should be fine. Git checkout branch feature. What is it? What are we sitting on? It is, that's me. MVS 31. MVS 31 subs. And then we're just gonna crack open this bad boy. Alright, so I'm not too sure exactly the state that it is in. So let's just yarn run dev so we can get a good approximation of where we're sitting. Let's pop this bad boy open a new tab. Let me just take my socks off. And no, you won't see my feet for free. That costs at least $5 on the old, I don't know, what site do the people fucking sell feet pics on? OnlyFans, I guess? Maybe? Ugh. Cool. So let's just check where the subscribe is sitting. I think I hard-coded so these ones pulled in, these ones are automatically pulled in directly from Stripe. These ones are hard-coded to always choose the highest tier possible. And none of this functionality works yet because I haven't, fuck, what did I do? Oop, no, there we go. Once I have my own chat system set up, this is where you'll be able to gift subscriptions and gift community subscriptions. But for now, so it's the $10 one, right? So you can see that it's $10. You expect to pay $10. Psych, bitch, it's 80 USD a month. So I'm going to need to jump through all of these hoops. And oh fuck, I need to fire off the Stripe hook. Yeah. Run. Stripe webhook, please get there in time. Yes, perfectly. Let's just see if it fires off on this. I'm not 100% sure if it will or not. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Fuck. Let's just check the logs. Invalid archetype. Fuck. Alright, whatever, we'll deal with that later. Because I know that it works on the other layout. So this layout in game 2, this bad boy, hopefully. I know donations at least will fire off correctly. Actually, I think subscriptions don't fire off properly. And the reason that subscriptions don't fire off properly is because I depend upon the Stream. It's not Streamlabs, it's Stream. Actually, no, it is Streamlabs. The Streamlabs overlays, which haven't set up yet. I've added the bot, which has just banned a bunch of people for calling me slurs, which was exactly what I asked them to do, to be fair. But the webhook will fire off. So I've got a webhook. Again, everything's in testing mode. So I've got a webhook set up for recording subscriptions, donations, all that good shit. Eventually, I will get around to setting up the Discord properly. I do have one member in my Discord, Mr. Evil Maximilian. So shout out to that guy. We'll play some Yu-Gi-Oh! At some point in the future, 100%. But for now, it's just posted as a webhook just so we can get a little bit of confirmation if I'm offline when someone makes a donation or subscribes. But for the sake of demonstration, let's just throw a donation in there real quick. Boom. Let's donate $666. And the message is going to be something that won't get me banned. So this is going to be for sensual massage. That's not an E, that's an A. The dude wants to leave me a massage. He's gay. Boom, boom, boom. So let's smash this shit. Boom, 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 boom. But yeah, like I said, shout out to the government workers who haven't done anything last week because my last 10-hour stream did not get too much done. And I'm just sort of catching up exactly where I left everything. So let's just check the Stripe webhook is firing correctly. Let's just add a bunch of spaces so we can see it. Yep, there we go. Charge exceeded. Payment. I did a couple more posts. And then once the payment succeeded, we should get dings everywhere. I didn't hear the ding. But we did get the message for sensual massage. But yeah, anyway, I really do like this layout. I really do. It's gaudy as fuck, but I love this layout. Anyway, so let's jump back over here. And the things that I'm planning on working on today is just finalizing the subscriptions, fixing up all these options. If the bloody thing will load, don't recompile it, you piece of shit. Stop trying to compile it. Don't be that lazy. Cool. So like I mentioned, these are pulled from Stripe. These are hard-coded. And I'm just going to need to fix that up. So I'm probably going to need to make a hook to pull in Stripe. Unless I've made a util for it, which is possible. What is my Stripe util? What the fuck? App name. Yeah, so that actually is absolutely fucking useless. I shouldn't have closed that, but anyway. So let's jump in here. What's the closest one that we've got? On playlists, videos, stream shortcuts. Stream controls. Oh, so that's to detect if I'm online or not, and changes like the. So if you go to the homepage, so it pulls in all of this information, lets you know that I'm live, all that good shit. And then if I join the chat, which will probably still be fucked because I sort of gave up on it last night, it looks good if I do this. It formats correctly. Like that's fine. And then cinema mode formats amazingly. It is now moderately mobile compliant, but for big laptop, big screens and big laptops, it, like, fuck can't I hide this? There we go. We get this bad boy, which I will fix, but it's pretty fucking low priority at this point. I am going to also fire up our screen keys. What the fuck was that? The cat just got into my lunch. Absolute bastido. Cool. So, fuck. Chat keeps fucking up. Keeps pausing. There we go. Chat is unpaused. So I think I've got, and how I've got it set up currently is that there is an API specifically for handling subscriptions. Sorry, for getting subscriptions. And that is only applicable on the page that has no way of getting to it at the moment. Subscription. And then this will show all of the users all of the users' subscriptions. I did subscribe, making a subscription yesterday. So the stuff that I'm going to be working on is wrapping this into the main profile page and setting it to be managed subscriptions to link that and then shove this into that layout. And actually allow people to cancel subscriptions. Not that I want people canceling subscriptions, and I might just say that it's not a bug, it's a feature. Sorry guys, you can never cancel a subscription. But yeah, that's tis the plan for the most of the day. And then hopefully if I have time, I'll do some work on Timecraft, my AI auto scheduler. But this sort of is a bit of a priority just because I don't want people subscribing through Twitch, because then Bezos gets money and I don't like giving Bezos money. Apart from clicking this run 3-minute ad break button, which gives Bezos money, but I also get a very, very small amount of money. And I'm going to hit you all with that right now because, actually, hang on, before I do that, let me just play the classic. A very warm thank you to the Merchants Guild for funding this exercise. And it's checking that the audio levels are all right. Cool. I am going to sort of chill out a little bit for like 2-3 minutes. So if anyone has like Twitch Prime or whatever it is that lets you skip ads, I'm not going to be doing anything interesting for the next 2.5 minutes, apart from probably setting everything up and catching. I actually don't want to limit that to 3. I want to just grab all of them. So let's just check this now, because we've only got 3 here when this user should have like 10, maybe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fuck yeah. So that's the point that I was making is you can have too many subscriptions. I'll probably want to limit it to 1 subscription per person unless you're gifting subscriptions. But as that isn't the case, we're going to leave it as it is for now. What's this? This is the stream controls. So we can get rid of that as well. Yeah, so let's make a hook for it. Actually, hang on. Let me just think for a moment. I will want to probably populate them in the database on sign up and maybe pull that details instead of pulling it from Stripe like I'm doing here and why it takes so long to populate. I'll pull it directly from Le MongoDB. Actually, hang on. Some of these should have expired, shouldn't they? February 28th. Oh, actually, hang the fuck on. They shouldn't all be February 28th. March 1st. This math ain't math, and I'll tell you that. Unless I did set them all up on the one day on the 28th, which is a possibility. Hang on, what the fuck's the day today? The first. How many days are in February? I want to say 28, maybe. I don't know. I never learn my months. And at this point, I just don't want to, out of principle alone. I've turned off the chatbot that I had running yesterday and that I run occasionally. I just got absolutely sick of his Marvelisms. There's only so much I can hear him talking about chimichangas if I'm not in a Deadpool theater. I'm not in the theater trying to watch Deadpool, but so let's just jump into this one. Oh, maybe I didn't put it in here. Where maybe it's in the pages directory. Pages API strippy products. Yeah, right. So that's where I'm pulling them. So maybe I do want to do this. Actually, let's just hit this API endpoint. So let's go here. Actually, let's crack a new one. Boom, boom, boom. API Stripe products. Cool. So this is all Stripe products. A lot of them have been created with CLI and have not been set up properly. Actually, let's jump into Stripe and actually just narrow down this shit. Like, let's go into the product catalog and start fucking shit up. So I'm really not too sure if they should be individual prices or multiple prices, but can I edit columns? Just like multi-select from here to delete multiple things? I'm totally unsure. What the fuck? Stream elements? No, I don't want to see stream elements history. I don't care what stream elements are saying. Fuck you. All right, cool. Let me just go through and actually, products that already be used can only be archived. Okay, whatever. I'm just going to archive all of these. I'm actually going to do a little bit of promo for the stream as well. So I'm just going to chuck a story to my personal Instagram and Facebook here. Archived test sub at inc. Archive. So I'm considering if I should set up maybe like a cron job or something to sync all of these products directly into my MongoDB. I'm not too sure even how much faster it would be. Please tell me the microphone's not muted. The microphone is not muted. I may be smooth-brained, but not quite that smooth-brained. Let's get rid of this one as well. And you know what? Let's leave test sub at inc. Just because it's something with variable pricing model, pricing structure. So you might be able to do something with that. I think I actually will want the multi-pricing just because on this bad boy, when you go to subscribe, there is an option there for quarterly pricing at a discount. Whoop, once this fucks off. Hang on, why the fuck is this there still? They should have refreshed because they are no longer available. No! Alright, hang on. Stripe products list. Can I then... Actually, let's just console log this bad boy. Console.log products. And the reason I'm doing that is so that I can see if there's any flag in there for archive products. Yep, cool. Oh, active. That'll do it. So now that we know that there is a flag for it, I don't know if I'll like. There probably is a better way of filtering this actually, because my method would just be to go get all of them, and then map them if they don't. So let's just let a fucking Copilot handle this. So it'll be map products, products that are, what was it set to? Like active false? Yeah, active false. That do not have the active flag set to false. So let's just boot that boom and let that think about it for a moment. Product data filter. Actually, that's probably fine. That's actually probably a better way of doing it, TBH. Like, this is what I would have done. This might be slightly better. I mean, then again, it does limit the prices to being over 0. Maybe I want to give away free subscriptions. Unlikely, but maybe I do. So let's actually just go with this one. Is there a catch? Is there even a try catch in that? There does not seem to be. So let's go boom, 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 boom. Just got a bit of clearance. Whoop, shit. Boom, boom. And then we want to catch error, console log error, res status 500, and hold it. I think we're also grabbing prices in there. Yes, we are. There's also probably a way that we can stripe prices list only, like by ID, and the IDs of things that we want would be able to be gathered from console log active products. So let's then jump back into this one and we'll just hit refresh and add a bit of spacing here so we can see it a bit clearer. Active products, nothing. Ooh. That is spicy. So why did we get that? Why did that happen? Prices, where do we console log shit? So we log shit there, and then we log shit somewhere else, allegedly. Allegedly. Unless the active products itself. Just because we're getting the products here. Unless that is part of the return value. Let's just check this one to see if it's, oh yeah, so it starts projects, objects, list data. So we're going to need to map through it. Products, what was it? Products.data or data.products? Products.data. Products list, which will give us this. Well, not that one. Maybe that one. This one. For sure. So go products and then .data. .products.data for the filtering. That actually should be fine. But let's drop that filter off it, just in case that's what's having a hissy fit. We'll just skip down a bunch and then refresh. Check that I haven't missed any messages. Nope, just the old, what you call it, talking to itself. Love it, gotta love it. All right, what do we get? Active products is still 0. So let's assume that it's doing something wrong. So let's actually just go products.data, products.data, filter product, product active. And not, nope, product, actually product prices, nope, product.active is true. Let's try that one. Like that is one of the downsides of being too heavily dependent on any kind of AI fucking anything, is that you will need to go in there and debug shit. Like it's like 100% guaranteed. Active products is still nothing new. But I'm not too sure why we're getting secondary log of... Oh, that's why. Because we're grabbing it here and then we're logging it here as well. So we can get rid of this entire... Oh my god, hang on. What the fuck's this linked to? Ew. Alright, let's get rid of that try. And then we can get rid of this. And get rid of this as well. And I think this, but I'm not 100% sure. So I'm just going to comment it out. And we probably get rid of that one as well. And let's hit it again and pray that it doesn't crash because there is an error that I can see. Right, subscribers loaded. Start hitting me with that shit, boss. We still have no active products. Alright, so let's just try and... Senior developer, by the way. Let's try and get this bad boy to do what we want. Products.data.filter. Products.data. And then run a filter over product active. And do we actually have any products set to true? Just before I start getting a bit silly with it. All right, let's go back up here, right? So this one is active false, active false, active false, active false, active false, active false, active false. My product. So all the ones called my product should be false. Unless there is pagination. Oh, there is. Has more true. All right, so we're gonna need to do some pagination. And I don't remember how to do that in this bad boy. Stripe product pagination. Pagination. Like I was wondering, like, why it was saying they're all false. Default is 10. I mean, let's just straight up smash the parameter, smash the limit to 100, which might make the call a little bit longer. Active true. Oh, actually, if I can do that, like if that's allowed, that'll just fix the issue and we won't need to do any of that mapping at all. So let's hit this. And we should see the same products listed. Whoop. Stripe unknown argument object. Did you mean to pass object? Passing options. That makes a lot more sense. Oh yeah, so it should be wrapped in one. That does. Whoop, shit, not K. We want to go here. Delete that. Add that. Delete that. And let's format that bad boy. No, I need to fix my LSP. Let's bring this down. Do that. Do that. Fold that one up. That looks a little bit better. And now let's, not that one. Hit that refresh. Not that refresh. This refresh. All right, what do you got? Product active true. They all look good to me. And this is the initial product list. Cool, so we can just straight up filter by active products. That is beautiful. And saves me needing to fuck around with any of that shit. But I'm going to leave that fucking around with that shit in there because I'm fucking lazy. I just, product select, prices length, that's fine. Get rid of all of those. If we can, maybe map the price ID, like depending what variables we can pass into this. If you can chuck, no, not that one, this one. If you can chuck the, no, I don't want to list all prices. Whatever. If you can, active. Ooh. Products. This looks like, is this a one-off product? Like, can I pass an array in as a product of things that I want prices for? Search prices. Active true and search for the order. Limit lookup keys. Prices with these lookup keys if they can exist. If they exist. So if I can grab the lookup keys from here, which I most likely can. Yeah, default price, default price. Default price, default price, default price, default price. Yeah, that looks good. This has features. What the fuck is this? Why the fuck does this have features? Like, I've used features in the, hang on, what was it? I think it was like the tier 1 one. Yeah, tier 1 has features. All right, let's check this out real quick. So I do use features for things that like need feature flags, but I don't think this fucking needs any feature flags. So where are these features coming from, buddy boy? Can I jump into this? Where the fuck are the, it doesn't say. It doesn't say at all. Whatever. Why does chat keep pausing? God damn. And I unpause and it's just stream elements yelling at me. Checks the fuck out. Alright, so from here we need to, yeah, that actually, why are they free? Free! Alright, anyway. So let's then iterate over them and then we'll create a map for the, should we go to the name or product ID? I don't remember how I had it set for the other thing, but let's go with ID. And the default price, and we'll map those together, and then any additional unraveling that we need to do, we can just do it by those keys. So active products, and then const product key, whoop, keys and default presses, and then it's going to map it. And hang on, stripe prices list. That's not what I fucking wanted. But I mean, hey, let's see. let's see what it does. I'm unsure if this will behave as I expect. Alright, let's jump back so we can see clearly what it does. Boom, bap, pow. There's 3 big booms. Boom, boom. Whoop, yep, that's Sarah's. Probably should have made an async function. That makes sense. So let's actually drop this all the way out here and we'll set that. Hang on, what the fuck? Active product map. Hang on. I probably just need to throw on a weight here. Wait. Oh, no. A waste. Fuck, how do I write this? I think it's async. Nope. God, it's been like this structure. I do not recall how to make it async. I wonder if we just hidden a weight there. That's not right because we are mapping them. Products. Do we put it here? Async. Is that how it's done? Network error. Yep, that is probably not how it's done. Expected something got console. This closed? I didn't close it properly. That makes sense. I mean, it's not complaining about the async, which is probably a testament to me being God's greatest programmer. Don't ask my topic on the CAA high melanin individuals or vehicular manslaughter. I'm building God's temple. All right, let's jump back. That actually... I didn't wait. I didn't wait for it to resolve. All right, so that's a... Wait. You can then await that. No, I can't. All right, so let's get rid of this async. Oh, hang on. Yeah, let's get rid of this async. Let's fix that one up. Let's move all of that into its own constant. Because you actually probably can just yoink this bad boy straight up to here. And we'll go fuck me. I still need to make it async. I just don't fucking remember how to like the formatting for the async on this bad boy. Await, return. What's this complaining about? Absolutely nothing, because it's just retarded. Alright, and where did I put that here? Const. Oh my god, whatever. We're just gonna run it that way. We're gonna run it back, let it run. Actually, we probably want to do this, and then maybe await this. Await, and see what that spits out. Because that might be a little bit better. Like, we're not doing like a callback with like a await resolve, so that might just behave. Or wait isn't allowed in non-async functions. And then, oof, we're getting 500s everywhere. Alright. I mean, can I just say fuck it? Hit him with one of those. Maybe we just don't need to wait for it then. And we can assume that that passes back. I know promises pass. Passes promises. Hang on, where am I calling await still? Here. So let's go boom, 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 async. That doesn't want to be async. Alright, let's go back up to here and make that. I don't think that is the correct fucking format either, but async, product map, boom, 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 and then drop the await back into here and see what we get. Haven't crashed yet. Alright, there we go. It crashed. Alright, let's get rid of that entirely. And we'll just go back to the initial plan and pretend that I don't actually have any issue with async awaits at all. Alright, let's drop that back down. Anyway, so we're going to a prices list and we want to find, what do you call them? We want to find Z. Request failed. No products available. That's a bit weird. Probably because it's through an error somewhere. Cool. I mean, that's populating it probably. Test sub at Inc. Anyway. So we've got this, then we've got products with prices. Products with prices, active products. We do have active products, and then we want to map the products by prices.data.filter. So let's just jump back up to actually have the thing. What's it spat out properly? Probably default price is what we're looking for. because there's no actual like pricing what's it there. So we jump in here, boom, boom, boom. We want to go product prices is actually going to be prices. Why the fuck is going prices? Oh, prices. Price up. Hang on. I actually don't know what prices is shining. So let's look prices. Who needs like an advanced fucking debugger that you can step through shit when you can just start throwing off shit at the wall and see what sticks? Where am I in the cube? Oh, hang on, is this active? Yeah, cool. I've got screen keys active. God, I just lost viewers when I went back to Twitch to check where my position is. Let's see where I'm sitting. Oof. Hang on, I'm not even there. The fuck? Hello. 20. Unless I've lost like every viewer. Where the fuck am I? Why isn't it showing me? No. Unless I just don't recognize myself. I don't seem to be on there at all. Maybe I can't have been shadow banned because people have found, like, I've still got 40 people in the chat. So like, where the fuck? Oh, there I am. Looking sexy. Anyway, so these are the prices. If I can do the same thing for prices to limit it only by active, I imagine we'll have a bit of a better response. So how do we do it here? We went boom, 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 active 100, active 100. Active true limit 100, and let's refresh the page, and hopefully it'll have all of the prices that we expect. Because the prices that it was pulling in were probably for the things that we'd shut down. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. Beautiful. Actually, hang on. This should be $8 per month. Why is that wrong? I swear that should be 80. Let me jump back over here. Products, catalog. Tier 5. Oh, it is $40 a month. Huh. Hang on. Where the fuck's my tier 5 gone? Create product. I need a tier 5 for those who want to spend way too much money on me monologuing. Tier 5. I'm just gonna throw in something random. Love you long time. That's gonna be reoccurring at 80 monthly. Add products. Alright, so let's just refresh this. And hopefully if everything is set up correctly, let me refresh it so it shows up here. God damn it, chat keeps pausing on chat, twitchchat.fr, which is an amazing platform, by the way. All right, yeah, there we go. All right, so if I refresh this bad boy now, we've got our $80 scub. All right, so I'm not too sure if I want to leave it like this and add in a description, obviously. Oh, it actually pulled in the in the description from, So these ones will work just straight out of the box, like nothing more needed for them. So let's go with a $10 sub. Maybe not. I am not God's greatest programmer. Alright, so let's get rid of all those console logs on that note. Video product active true. I feel like this is kind of redundant if we are able to limit it by active products here. But I'm going to leave this in with a to do check if redundant. So this merges them with their associated prices, and then it returns just it. It returns that. So this section here, I literally did copy and paste all of these benefits just straight from the old destiny.gg, where I've taken a lot of inspiration from for my site. Not enough to end up in a lawsuit with him, because I know that he is quite litigious, quite happy to start a legal battle. Now I'm going to quickly go AFK for 5 minutes because I need to chuck a piss. I'm going to hit you all with an ad break real quick, and then I'll BRB. Alrighty then. Let's check that everything's still on, working. Nice. No, it's not. Whoop, I don't want to drag an overlay from OBS into my text editor because that just ain't gonna go well. Thank you for following, Mr. Nguyen. I hope I pronounced that properly. I'm assuming, not to assume your race or anything, but I assume it's pronounced Nguyen and not Nuggin. Although that is much more entertaining, to be fair. So jumping right back where we were, the subscriptions are now populated properly. They've got the right descriptions set from strip. I am then gonna need to set it up so that you get this like pretty little option box instead of just these cards for the. Actually, maybe these cards could be alright. So let's grab this bad boy, right? And let's just see how it looks if I throw this into tier 1 and edit the description. Is it features? Where the fuck is it? So if we edit products description, if I throw this in here and format this a little bit better. Boom, boom. Oh, I can't, I didn't enter. Can I add a little line break? Let's try doing that and update the product. Go back over here and refresh it. Let's see if that appears in the products. It does, but not well. So I'm not a huge fan of that. Unless I manually go through and do something to detect the new line symbol and force it to add a new line, which actually could be okay. And then drop that entirely. That might be an option. I also need to style all of these bad boys so that we've got this color, which is a fucking shonky one. I'll give you that. Let's grab this background color. If we just fuck all of that off, whoop, and get rid of this. Boom. Hello. But hello. Where's the change in the oh it's fucking hover. I'm a fool. I'm an absolute imbecile. Where is the standard color? I don't want the text. Maybe it is a pseudo element. Maybe. Let's go with this one and delete that. No, because this will change the text color, won't it? Nope. Background color. Boom. Nope, that is fuck. I selected the wrong thing entirely. No wonder it's acting weird. Alright, where is this fucking color? Where's the background color? Alright, so where do we go? Background mode, none. Background. This is not it. This is a hover background. Which I mean is fine. Like I'll probably make that a darker color. So let's grab the eyedropper real quick. Hello, eyedropper, please. And we'll make it like that color. For hover. Boom. That feels exactly the same to me. What the fuck? All right, there we go. All right, so it's actually this one that needs to be changed. Even though it says that this is being overwritten, it is that one. Let me just fire chat back up on this laptop that's locked because I was AFK for too long. Couldn't recognize me. What do you mean? I am always this aesthetically pleasing. Cool, and I'll just let that reconnect chat. Cool, that is in. I'll check that I didn't miss any messages. Perfect, lol. As in Nguyen or Nugian? Nuggin. I'm pretty partial to Nuggin. I did miss that chat from, so I'm using something called twitchchat.fr on my other laptop down there, which is honestly has a bunch of really cool features. It's much better than the standard chat. And it's got some really cool stuff to be able to, hang on, I think I've got it set up on this one. So let's try this one real quick. Twitch chat overlay. What is this? Whoop, that is that one. Let's get rid of that. Maybe I don't have it on that one. Twitch chat highlight. What the fuck's this? Whoop, where the fuck? What is going on here? Where is it? Let me open this up. Alert code. Oh, that's fine. Spotify, Twitch goes, my chat. What is this? Oh, this is the like third-party chat service. So if I send a chat real quick, just drop a test. This will end up here over there. So the reason that I'm using this one and this bad boy is literally just a fucking butchered. So in Twitch, right, you can go here, you can go pop out chat. And then you get a nice little URL for it that shows chat. I've just grabbed this URL and then thrown a million fucking CSS selectors onto it. And we probably want to line about there. To give it that nice little appearance. This is one that's out the box from some platform. But anyway, let's turn that one back off. Alright. Oh, that didn't turn it off. Nope, turn it back off. Twitch chat highlight. What the fuck is this one? Where the fuck is this one? Where is it? Where'd it go? Actually, hang on. It looks like I fucked my like layout. Nope. What the fuck? Hold up. Let me try and do a like highlight from a message. Let's highlight this one if I can remember how. Is it answer? Nope, that's a response. Actually, I'm not even fucking connected to OBS, so it won't matter. Never mind. Anyway, let's jump back into this and kill that one. Put it back where it belongs. So we're going to go back in here. So these ones I want to put into this so that we have sort of the what you gets. Or I could do the formatting on it like that. I'm not too sure which one to go with. So these ones are, as I've mentioned, these are directly pulled from Stripe. These are unfortunately hard-coded just because it was like a testing thing. These are a lot simpler, but they don't have all of the like callbacks set up properly. So like, while these ones do have the callback set up properly to like send a ping to Discord on subscription and all that kind of goodies. Also this button is just the wrong fucking color still. Background color. Let's just, no, I don't want the hover. What if I kill this? Jump into this. Can I make that like darker? All right, so it's that one. Oop. I really need to make a design doc with all of the colors, all of the colors that I'm using. I might be able to find them down here, not in there. So that's a primary color, but where the fuck is my dark? Where is my dark color? Color, background, base, function, keyword, tag, string. What is this? Function, no, it's that one. I mean, let's go back to this and we'll just darken it down a bit. Boom, boom, boom. Jump back up to here, find this, paste that back in, and we get that really bright pink, which I'm really not fond of. Unless we drop the transparency, nope. So let's make this. I mean, actually, that's not too bad, to be honest. Like, I don't mind that. So let's grab this color. And so it's BG Blue 600. I believe that'll be set in the Tailwind config. Somewhere in here. Or maybe not. Colors. Nope. All right, so we're going to need to find where the fuck they are set. Because I am using Tailwind backend. Let's just do a search for this globally. It's hard coded in. Chat panel also hard coded in. Confirm. Index. Nope. Sub selector. There we go. BG blue. I mean, let's just jump into this bad boy, right? Let's go. Boom, 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 boom. Purple. Full. I think it's 700. So let's save this and just see what it does after a reload. Nothing. Oh wait, nope. Hovering does give us that. Like that's probably a nice purple. That's a nice purple to have. So maybe we stick with that one. I'm still not too sure why the BG blue is still applying. So let's refresh it. Just make sure there aren't any leftovers, any conflicting styling issues. Nope, that's still definitely applying. All right, so what's this? Class name rand. Oh. Not 700, we want 600. So let's then do that. Yeah, there we go. That's nice. 600 and then 700. That's kind of nice. Kind of nice. And then we want to do probably a similar thing for the borders of these bad boys. So let's just grab one of the labels, and then there's going to be a hover effect over it. So we can probably trigger that through here. So attributes or change pseudo class hover. There we go. And then we can narrow down exactly where the fuck it is. Hover border. So let's do a search for border blue 400. And see where this bad boy is living right there. And here. Soon go border purple. Let's make that 600 as well, so we get a bit deeper. BG purple 900. And this can probably stay at 500, but purple nonetheless. All right, so let's give this a refresh now, and everything should look a little bit better. Cool, now I've got the nice little purple hovers. That's the selection. Cool, that is a-okay. These bad boys are still behaving badly. I wouldn't mind pulling in the feature set like that from Twitch though. Not Twitch, fucking Stripe. So let's jump into here and break it down. Sexual style. Do any of these actually have features attached to them though? Now let's jump all the way down to the bottom. All right, so recurring, product, tax behavior, recurring. I'm just skimming through here looking for features or description or something like that. Hopefully it'll be a big block. These are the prices. I don't want the prices. I want the products. Unless I've uncommented the comment for it, which I do believe I have. So let's jump back in here, back in which one was it? This one? Nope, that one. Maybe this one? Not that one. This one. Nope. Where the fuck is it? Products. Yes, this is it. All right, so products. Then we're going to console log all of the active products. And then we're going to check what information is actually available from that API response. I definitely could store all of this information in the database. But oh, perfect. Perfect. I don't like that it's escaped the escaped character, but whatever. I guess we would do that. So we could pass it, grab that out, add a dot to it. So let's jump back over here and we're going to get a bit silly with it. So we're going to go const format stripe product description. And what we're going to want to do is not that at all. We are going to want to probably use regex for it. Don't care, but actually maybe is the first part of the description, the name? I don't think so. Yeah, no, it's not. Jump back into it. So we want to add a add a tag before each line. Add in actual line breaks, which are but they are escaped in the response. And yeah, that should be about what we want to do. Return the formatted string. Now, give me the goddamn code, bitch boy. Boom. All right, so let's try this one. And we're also going to, where are we? Products, active product. We'll try that out. And then we're also going to probably need to map it here. Like that. We're also going to need to validate that it exists. Or, actually, hang on. We're going to want to do that backwards. So we're going to want to go product description. And then format it or nothing. And then we're going to console log the active products. So then refreshing this, let's go over here and see how it lays it out. And we can probably check the layout on the active page properly. Yep, so that is, I think, what we want. I think. But let's check it in the page. Yep, that, ooh, it did not double escape it. Because it was... hang on. Hang on. Where the fuck's the return on this? I swear there was a return on this. Why the fuck's this one-lined it? Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Hang on. Return. There we go. What the fuck? And we want to split that. Like that. And we probably want to do this so that it doesn't try and treat it as a new line break. And then we'll refresh it once again and pray that this will now be on a new line. It is not on a new line, but it did, in fact, split it. Map, line, join. I'm not too sure why this isn't behaving correctly. So let's just add a fucking BR. And it might complain being, being React, it might complain that it doesn't close the BR tag. So we're going to throw that in as well. Nope. It's just straight up. God damn. All right, so let's try. What can I do to actually get it to spit out a new line? Formatted string. So that's how it returns it. I can't believe I'm being bested by the most basic rejects imaginable. Alright, so we want to split it on the double new lines. We want to map it with a tack. The only reason that I say tack instead of a dash there is because I played way too much fucking EVE Online. So I'm used to saying like system names of like QRX tack 31. Maybe if we do this, I don't think that's going to fix it, but it did not. All right, what can we do? Maybe we just add two of them. If not, I could probably send a carriage return instead to see if that'll fix it. Nope, absolutely nothing on that one. So let's get rid of this and then let's send a carriage return. Still no luck on that one. God fucking damn it. I am fighting for my life here. Like we aren't doing any other modifications with formatting, right? Thank you for the follow, Amumex. You're the best. I'm currently losing a fight with most basic rejects imaginable. Again, it keeps getting rid of the goddamn fucking like closing brace for this, which is really annoying. Format. Ugh. Did that format? Nope. All right, let's run running ALFix. Come on, I've got to have an LSP that can handle this. What the fuck's going on? I really need to fix my LSPs as well, but whatever. So the description, we want to break it on that. We want to do that. And we want to join them back together with this, which is just not working. Why? Why? All right, so maybe I do just do it this way instead then. Maybe I just fucking hard code them. And then we prefer to use this one. I just think I accidentally just click continue to recipient. I did. All right, whatever. Oop, failed to compile. Apparently that is illegal. Not too sure why that's illegal. Let's add a couple of additional spaces. Oh, because it fucking got rid of the opening brace as well. I have no clue what the fuck is doing that. Probably just because it thinks it can map it like that. Which makes sense, because you fucking can, but still don't like it. Anyway. Alright, so let's... I'll jump into the other thing that I've got. So, what is it? Like, it's like a product list or some shit. Product. Stripe available products. This one? Nope, that's that one. Product. Feature card, components, table HL, link, index. Nope. Alright, maybe I just did this one straight onto the page just because I'm fucking lazy. Not helpers, pages. Where the fuck's subscription? Where the fuck? Oh, subscribe. There we go. So this is the index. And subscription selector is what it's called. So in here. So up the top, you can see that I've actually hard coded them all. And these are literally, as I mentioned, just ripped straight from fucking Destiny's channel. Just because I needed the inspiration for it. But I should be able to fill them. I don't want to have to fill them out manually. I really don't want to. Also the IDs. I don't want to have to do it manually. All right, so let's try something a little bit different. Let's grab this, like all of that. And we're going to jump back into the, where is the API call? So I'm just going to shove this in here, right? And as long as these match by title, which it looks like they do, and let's just actually double check that one. These are the product pricing. Oh no, they're not. So name, test sub at Inc. Tier 4, tier 3, tier 1. Metadata, subscription level. Why the fuck did I add metadata on some of them? And what the fuck are the marketing features? What are the features? Where did I set the features? Like, it's gonna be in here, right? Like, where the fuck are the features? Metadata. Oh. Marketing feature list. Apparently I had them in there. So maybe I can just pull that out then. Hang on. So let's jump back into that page. Because we should still have access to the entirety of the product the product thing. What's it? So what are they? Objects? Yeah, object. So it's an array of objects. So that filters out the active ones, gets the description, blah, 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 blah. But let's ignore that for now. Get the features. That's the way you fucking spell that word. Features of each product. No. Const features equals active products map product. That looks about right. Probably going to need to close out. And then I'm going to console log this. I don't know if that would just return the features. It should return the everything, but let's let it run. Let it cook, and we'll see what we get. Oop, nothing. Error fetching products from Stripe reference active products is not defined. I find that dubious. You deceitful creature. Maybe you just straight up fucking hang on. Active products. Maybe we can't. Oh, I just misspelt active products. That would do it. Who the fuck's my drink? Did not like that at all. All right, what is complaining about? Active products is not defined. Damn. Even though I'm very obviously using active products here. Like, we don't need to await anything. We've already mapped it here. Oh, actually, hang on. That's probably redundant. So I'm not too sure why I can't fucking map it. Why can't I map that? What if we just try mapping products? Just directly. Oop, that's the wrong button. It looks like it's about to crash. Products map is not a function. It definitely should be. Hang on, it's not returning anything weird. Is it like products.data? So like we can see the fucking active products here, and it's an array. Active products, active products, active products, active products. Oh, whatever. All right, so let's just try mapping it differently then. So instead of doing that, actually, let's just see what Copilot has to suggest. Products, get active products. Grab that. This is definitely not going to behave as we want. Tier ID equals product name dot benefits. It's not benefits, right? It is like, yeah. It's, oh, actually, is it features? All right, let's undo all of this. Yep, no, features. I'm really not too sure why I can't map it like that. Active products. Let's get rid of that. Console, nope. Const features. Prices list. And other features linked to the prices. Because that actually would make sense, but it would be disappointing nonetheless. I mean, like, let's just let it cook. Let it cook. Nope. Console act products. Check if the that's all useless. That is not helpful at all. Mr. AI, Microsoft AI. Yeah, maybe it is. Maybe it is linked to that. Is this all in the same try effort? It is. Products with prices. Map products with price, product price. That's fine. features. Where the fuck does features come in? Product with prices, and then where is features used? Features data filter. All right, let's try this, right? Actually, we can probably ignore that one. Prices. Where the fuck's it getting the prices from then? Hang on. Products await stripe product list. Check if redundant, which is that bullshit that it probably is redundant. But get the features for each product. Merge product with their associated prices. Product features.data filter price product ID. Unless that is what is necessary. And do we grab the prices? God, I'm losing my goddamn mind on this one. Where's prices? Prices. So that's where we grab the prices. All right. And then features.data filter price. That's not what I want to do at all. None of that is what I want to do. All right, let's jump back over here. So these are the products. No, it's definitely the fucking products. What are they talking about? Product features. All right, so let's jump back over here. So the products. Got the products. Let's just go for each. I have no clue what the fuck that's gonna do. Let's check if we can access any additional parameters to get object data. Hang on. So it comes in as data. So we need to go data features. Where the fuck's features? C, D, E, F. F doesn't exist. It doesn't actually exist here. What am I in? Is this prices? No, customers. Why the fuck am I on customers? Where's the products? Products. The product object. Default description. Where the fuck's... It's also not listing features here at all. Description. Meta. Like, unless I'm fucking retarded. There's marketing features when you create a product and post to create a product. And where is that selected? That here. What is this? That's when you get it by... Oh, okay, there we go. Yeah. Well, unless it is actually under, just straight up off under marketing features. Now, let me just double check that real quick. No, it's just fucking features. What are you talking about? And marketing features. I mean, maybe we go with marketing features if that's actually available and the features are added separately. So let's go for each of them. Hang on. Let's undo that. So that's active products, const features, and assume that that's right. Nope, that is not right. We want to go active products, map product, return that, close that, and the console log features. It didn't crash. That could be a good sign. Somewhere around there we fucking go. Features. ID, name, description. And there is the... Wait, where's features? This should have features, but that's a description. ID, description, none. Description, none. Product one, description. Again, the description here, unless I've added that to the description because I am smooth-brained, which I also have done. Yeah, so marketing features list. All right, so it is specified as a marketing feature. So then let's go features, product metadata features, product marketing marshmallow. Let's jump back over here. And we're just going to grab this directly wherever the fuck it is. Where the fuck am I? I don't want to do that. Where the fuck am I? Because every time I jump over here, it keeps fucking changing. Anyway, marketing features. There we go. Product.marketing features. All right, let's hit this refresh again and see if we can see what we actually want to see. Because the description's fine. Features. So it is returning them as objects still. And I'm unsure how to unwrap that object. If anyone in chat has any idea how to unwrap that object, let us know. Because it'd be quite beneficial. Boom, boom. Actually, hang on. It's got to be in features, right? Like there's got to be something in here for features. What the fuck's the hotkey for searching this shit? Where is the search function? Features. Features. The feature object. Unique identifier for the object, lookup key, create a feature, list all features. Could be worth finding out, but like unless these are tied to something else, product features. Pro feature attachment between a feature and a product. Product purchase has a feature type will attach an entitlement to the feature for the purchasing customer. Maybe I don't want to do that actually, because I don't really want to have to worry about any actual like entitlements. So how do we list them? List features. So maybe we do actually. All right, fuck it. This is what we're going to do just to make sure that we can get the fucker out. Does this have like, are there any helpers that we can do with this? Like that? Will that work? I don't think it will. Boom, boom, boom. Let's scroll up to our features. Nope. Doesn't look like it's done it. Yeah, it's just object, object, object. So yeah, I just don't know how to deserialize it. Attach feature to a product, remember feature for a product. All right, probably because we don't want to actually have to worry about like not so much authentication, but entitlement, approval. Let's just go straight from the description, and that's what we're gonna fucking use. So we're gonna need to do some nasty edits, or actually, we just use this and call it a day. So I could actually just add them in manually because there aren't too many products. So like if we just go into here, let's close that bad boy out. And what's the product idea? Let's grab that. Boom. Back to the catalog. 2. Can I grab this? Not easily. Grab that. And paste that in there. Like I probably could just hard code all of this shit, and I probably will for now, just because I'm lazy. And what the fuck am I doing? Just in case there is anything like that I don't want to be seen, I'm going to throw that one up there. Fix my hair a little bit. Look a little bit cooler on the internet, because you know it's all about looking cool on the internet. And if you're coming to the programming and software development section, you definitely want to trust a cowboy. Yeah, but anyway, let's save that. I kind of want to get rid of these, but I'm going to leave them there for now. What do we got? hang on, let me just pop this up. So screen keys is blocking me from seeing all of these bad boys. So let's grab this. I can't just straight copy it from that, which is disappointing. But let's grab the product ID of this one. This is a tier 3. And let's jump back over here. And then we want to go to tier 4, tier 5, etc., etc. Oof, not those ones. I want active. Yeah. That's all I have to say about that. And did I do tier 3? Yeah, I just did tier 3. So then we want to go tier 4. No, I didn't want to click on that because now it's going to take me to Stripe and make me pay money. No. Ooh, actually, good. So that's tier 4. And copy that one. Paste that in. And I think the last one was tier 5. And we just want to see active. Tier 5. And we're going to grab this. And whacker right about here. And hope that they roughly line up price-wise with the existing prices. So I can just do that by eyeballing it. And this is such a beautiful song. All right, so tier 1 is 5. Tier 2, 10. Yes. Wait, is it 10? I'm on the wrong fucking thing. Tier 2, 10. Yes. Tier 3, 20. Yes. Tier 4, 40. Yes. Tier 5, 80. Yes. All right, cool. So they're all lined up like that. And then I'll just add in these. I'm just going to do a quick find and replace for all of the content that I've stolen from Destiny by replacing the word. Oh, actually, no, I need to get all of them. So let's do that. No, not like that. Let's go to the top, hit V, and then the not the semicolon, the percent sign to select everything in between it. Then I'm going to hit shift semicolon to drop us into visual select mode. I'm going to press S for search. So I'm going to put a / for the things that I want to search for. And then I'm going to search for Destiny. And then I'm just going to throw in another / and replace it with Masakis. And I'm also going to throw another / on there and press G. So it does the entire line. And if I refresh this, these pop-ups are going to be... Oh, actually, I'm going to need to refresh it first. Well, actually, it's in the wrong fucking page, so it's not going to update them. Ah! All right, so let's then go back and yoink it and find where the fuck this originated from here. I'm just going to paste it in there and call it. So after this reloads, and I refresh it, maybe. All right, let's check it. There we go. Nice, nice, nice. And then now I'm just going to do a couple of things of moving these bad boys around. Like this alignment for the button definitely needs to be over floating right. Ooh, that is not nice. Jesus, what the fuck is going on with this button? I probably want relative and then float right. Nope. What the fuck? Why is this behaving like that? Do we have any weird rules going on here? We've got full width, which is probably not what we want. And then let's just go float right. And we probably want to bring it in. So we would want to Actually, we probably just want to wrap that entire thing in it. It is within that entire thing. But if I just move this up, there we go. I don't like that. Too tall? 20%. I mean, unless we do just bump this up to the same size as everything else. So if this has a any rules around it for the sizing, which it doesn't really seem to, but it does have a padding of 1 rem, which might be enough to handle it. Oop, let's just go in here and paste that in. Yeah, that's not what I wanted. Alright, so I'm not too sure why. Oh, there's a margin or padding at the top for that. Padding top 0. Nope, margin, sorry. Top 0. There we go. And then we want to go text line center. And maybe we bump this padding up to 2. Whoop, nope. What the fuck is going on here? Text line, there's something like vertical align, right? Vertical align, which isn't going to take effect because it is the text in the middle. So text align, fuck, I don't remember how to goddamn align shit. It's always my downfall is trying to remember how to fucking align shit. Let's say you do go margin top 1 rem, 2 rem, nope, 1 rem, nope, nope. Padding, let's give it a bunch padding, nope. Unless we need to add additional padding to the top, padding top 1 rem, 2 rem. That's about right. Maybe EM. That's nice enough. Obviously, it's not pixel perfect or anything, but fuck it. So where is the continue to receipt? I'm just going to do a quick FCF search for continue to recipient. There we go. We want to get rid of the tailwind class full width. Then we're going to grab that. And we want to throw all of these fucking styling things in there, which I am not a huge fan of just fucking doing it like this with not using class, but whatever. Boom. I'm just going to paste that, comment it all out, and let, what you call it? Copilot. Float right. Whoop, shit. Do all the rote updating that I need. That looks about right. So let's drop this out and then close out this and see how it looks. I don't want to refresh it just in case it isn't exactly how I want it to be. So let's make a new one. New tab. It is in the wrong spot, but that can be rectified by moving all of this inside that div, I think. Please load. Today, Junior. Nice, perfect. And then I'm going to get rid of the subscription tiers. So that is, where the fuck did it actually, where did I actually put that? Put the references to it. I think it's probably subscription select. Nope. Hang on, where the fuck is it? Oh, yeah, there we go. So you can probably get rid of that one. And it'll now look like that. Not bad, not bad. All right, so let's go with this one. And I do want to change these. The dark purple is a little bit gaudy that I'm not too fond of. So let's kill this one. And let's go with a... That is a lot brighter than I was really expecting it to be honest. Let's go with a, like, make it black. So what is selection? Background color. Let's go with this. Oh, it's RGBA, so it's not going to work. Go with that. Is dark selection? I don't think that's actually doing what it should be doing. What if I turn that off? And that one off. And that one off. And all of these ones off. I was going to keep turning this off to like work out which one's got the fucking background. Like I am selecting the right, I'm not selecting the right one. That makes sense. There we go. All right, so let's drop that in. Don't overly mind that one too much, but it is a little bit dark. So let's go with the lighter background that we've currently got, which still does look rather dark, but maybe we can drop that and then we can throw down the opacity a little bit. That's a nice level. I like it. So BG Purple 900, we're just going to do a full grep search for it. BG Purple 900, which is here. And in place of that, we actually want to throw that, which I can only do with fuck. All right, I'm gonna need to. I don't even have styling here. Fuck. Let's check Tailwind docs. Tailwind, custom BG class. Ugh. All right, what do you get? Like, can I throw in hex? Yes, I can throw in hex. Perfect. All right, so we want to go BG and that, and then delete this. And now that should be about right. So let's hit a refresh. And check if everything's working nicely. So let's select this one. Yep, that is A-OK. That is exactly what we want. Although it does seem like if you double click and then drag, you can, oh no, that's fine. Cool. And I'm probably going to want to do the same thing for this. What is this? Like I can probably just do a full search for this class. Yep, there we go. And I probably want to do the same. So let's jump back to the last position and go with this bad boy for BG. For that BG content. BG blue. Get rid of that. Paste that in there. And now, after it refreshes, we've got that, which is a lot nicer. And a lot more on brand. Actually, maybe I should do the same for this. So like that, switch that out to, what the fuck was the color? This is color V in that, yoink. I love the Y being copy for in the standard Vim config because you get to hit that yoink every time. Like, oh, I need to copy something, fucking yoink that shit. All right, so let's grab this and let's just do that. I mean, actually, that could go okay. If we then use the same border color that we've got here, and let me grab it, let me yoink that shit. Boom, boom, boom. The hover is fine, but where's the change that I made there? If I do that, all right, that actually doesn't seem to be taking effect. So let's throw it onto the element. Border. 1px solid. Why the fuck is this interfering with that? There we go. Cool. That's nice. That's nice. I like it. I like it. I like it. Not bad. Not bad. Maybe we should actually do something different for it. Maybe like invert the color. So let's just quickly try that. So let's go. I want that, and I want the. Nope. And where the fuck's background color? It's one of these ones that's commented out for some fucking reason. Background color. Yeah, no, that's way too gaudy. That's horrible, shocking, hate it, do not like. All right, all right. So what changes did I just make? All of this shit. All right, so let's just jump into changes. BG purple 600. So let's do a search for this. See if I can find it. I don't actually have it open. Ooh. Oh fuck, it's everywhere. Nope. Subscriptions, that's one. That's a ticket. Boom. There we go. So what is this? That's this one. And we want to replace this with hashtag that. I'm going to jump back and paste that in there. And what else? What other changes do we make? Background color, that's fine. Border color. Is there a border color that we can use in here easily? Control K, let me search. Border style, border radius, border color. Let's start out with this one. If it'll take me there. Cool, so border is the number, and we can then, I'm assuming we can do exactly the same thing. Yeah, like border, whatever it is we want. But what the fuck is this in RGBA or hex? So border. What was the level? Border 4. So let's get border 3. Border, what is it, color? Is it color or BG or what's going on? Oh, it's just straight up border dash, whatever the fuck you want. I don't think that's going to work, but we'll find out. Hover, right, let's leave that. Spin it back up and see what happens. I really shouldn't have done that because I do want to save that in that state so that exactly that doesn't happen. Whoop. Hold up, let me grab this because this has a hard-coded hex that I can just straight up yoink. And there we go. So in here, boom, 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 boom. Let's give it a refresh. Maybe that's the wrong color that I grabbed. Let's select this, right? No, let me select it. And I'm going to hide this so I can actually see the fucker. Border. Oh, it's just purple 500. So actually we could probably leave that as is. Cool. There we go. Nice. And I'm going to need to do the same for this bad boy. So this can just literally be changed from blue to purple. And that'll clear that up nicely. But let's do a search for this. Actually, fuck it. I'm going to search everything. Because that will return the exact class that uses it all. Boom. Boom. So I'm going to switch out that blue for purple, and we should be Gucci. Purple. as long as I can remember how to spell purple. Nice. That's looking pretty smooth. It's looking pretty slick, in my opinion. All right. So from there, let's try out some of these different tiers. So I'm not too sure exactly how I said it. Oh, perfect. Product ID is linked. Perfect. So let's go continue. I think this is tier 2. So if this all behaves, it'll take me to this page, and then it'll throw me to Stripe for a tier 2 subscription. I think. I also need to update this to pull in the tier properly. We're creating checkout session. What do you want from me? Why is that? Wow, what happened here? What happened here? Request. Price, customer ID, type subscription, user ID, response. The price not available to purchase because its product is not active. Oh, I must have hard-coded a product in there somewhere. So let's just do this real quick. Let's do a search for it. Yep, there we go. There is a hard-coded product. Price. So let's jump back because I'm pretty sure that I did pass the price in here as a tier product. I passed a product through. And I'm actually not too sure if it did pass the product correctly. I'm going to go and take a Fiverr and hit you with an ad because I'm shilling hard as fuck for this month. So once again, many thank you to the Merchant Guild for generously bankrolling this operation. But yeah, I'm going to hit 5, go have a cigarette, that kind of stuff. And then when we get back, I'm going to finish up the process of subscribing through the site. Do any small aesthetic changes that are needed. And it should be fucking good to go at this point. And we're living the dream. So, BRB, baby girl. There we go. Let's get right back into it. I just need to remember where the fuck it is. Right here. All right. So when I select one of these and hit continue to recipient, it should be passing across the product. Let's check what this product is to make sure that this product is the product that we actually fucking expect. Let's jump to product. Tier 2, that is exactly what we expect to see. And then from here, if we go continue, what do we have? Recipient myself, product. Let's double check this product again to make sure that this product does align with the product that we're looking for. It definitely fucking does. Pay with Stripe. So I believe the pay with Stripe section is where pay with Stripe. I do believe that this is probably pulling in a hard-coded thing and what's it? Nope, price ID. So we're going to need to actually grab the price ID, not the product ID. I think that is the big issue. Product tier. Oh, we're going for tier and we're using the product here. Where are we getting the tier from? Let's scroll down a little bit. So this point, all right, so we're actually going to want to grab that. And that's a price. Can I put in, so use subscription confirm. Let's grab this up to here. We can't grab it that way. So we're going to need another way of grabbing out the price. So I'm going to make a helper to grab my price. So that's probably going to go into utils. If you've got a Stripe in here, yep, we do have, actually, is that in libs? I know utils. Cool. So we're going to make a helper function to get the Stripe price ID for a given product. Boom. Whoop. And we're going to take in the product ID. And we aren't going to take that in, but we are going to return the price ID. Boom. Oh, actually, we're going to need to export it first. Get price ID, product ID. Ooh, that's not what I fucking want to do at all. I don't want to have to make any additional calls, but I think I might have to. So where is it? Subscription select. Nope. Actually, we could probably just slap that bad boy straight into here as well manually, but let's not do that. So we've got a little bit of decoupling there at least. Where are we going? Back over here. So how do I grab the price IDs again? Products, price. Nope, nope, nope. There we go. Where am I grabbing it? So this is product list. And here, wait, where the fuck is, where's the price? There we go, prices list. So I'm just going to jump back into the docs and see if I can find the, because we don't want product features, we want the price. List of features, product feature. I don't want features, I just want the pricing. So I'm just going to do a search for the price. Price objects. All right, prices. I don't want to get it by ID. I want to get the price by the products. So maybe I do just retrieve a product and then get the price ID. Does it have the price ID attached to it? I was really expecting it to have the price ID in there. Object, active created, default price. Oh, maybe default price. Not a big fan of this. And let's just grab one of the products, right? So let's like actually grab the product that we're using. And let's run that. And see what we, let me edit it. What the fuck? Why can't I edit it? Whatever. I'm just going to run it, see what happens. Customize and run. Cool. All right, there we go. Retrieve. Let me edit it. Let me edit it. Paste. Let me paste it. Why can't I paste it? All right, copy. Nope. Copy. Why the fuck can't I paste here? Oh, that is fucking annoying. Path ID value. Can I paste in here? All right, that's fine. All right, so let's hit that. Is that gonna run? Run request. Ah, perfect. All right, so I'm gonna need to jump back over this, and then we want to switch out from the shell actually. And if there's there we go. Come on, give me a React. Give me a React SDK. No. Node will probably do, I guess, maybe. Print SDK code. Please, sir. Yeah, so it's just that one. All right, so let's jump back into our helpers. Where the fuck's my helpers? Where the fuck is my helper? Where the fuck is my helper? Oh, there we go. We are going to need to initialize a stripe, I think. So let's paste that and check how we've initialized stripe somewhere else, just so I can copy and paste it. Stripe. Nope. Actually, where the fuck do I initialize a stripe? I just go like that and then stripe. Huh. Doesn't look like I actually do initialize it anywhere properly. I just grab it like that and use it. Oh, wait, no. Oh, yeah, no, it's initialized with the thing what's there. Cool. So we should be able to go boom, 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 boom. And we're going to need to make this async, I think. Oops, shit. Product price data. No, it is. Let me just run this again so I can get the actual results. Actual feedback. So the default price. Return product dot default price. And that should be all that we need. So what's this complaining about? Nothing. It just wants better formatting, which is understandable. Me too, bro. Me too. I will link you later. Do not fret. So let's grab get price ID. Where is this? That's in here. So we're gonna import get price ID from lib. Is it lib or utils? Utils stripe get price ID. Let's dive down here. Actually, let's go back a bit so we get to where we want to be. And we want const product ID equals boom, boom. Fuck. Hang on, where are we getting the price ID? Product ID. So we can grab that from the so you're gonna go here, get price ID. Get price ID, and then we want to actually go. Ooh, or maybe not. All right, so let's go router query product ID as string, and it's actually tier, which is bad and a mistake. Tier as string, and then we want to and pass as string. Hopefully that'll be okay. And then in here, we want to do that. And hopefully that'll be right. So I'm just going to hit refresh. Nope, does not like that. Product ID string. What doesn't it like about this? Function component is not a functional declaration. Equals as. Can I just fucking boom, boom, boom? Boom. Is that allowed? Missing radix parameter. Let's refresh it to see if it still plays. It does. Get price ID async. So that's actually complaining about this one. Price ID string. Alright, let's actually just fucking drop that off. And see if it still complains. I imagine it probably will. Awaiting loud in a non-async. And I think we do definitely need to await Stripe. We do, so we've got to make it an async. And async, product ID string. I'm not too sure why that complains. Stripe product, oh, that would probably be it. Product ID. All right, let it reload a couple of times. Stripe is not a constructor. Stripe equals new Stripe. Wait, why the fuck is it complaining about this? Unless I'm redefining Stripe. Which it looks like I am. Yes, that is the issue. And that's also a const. So am I able to... Fuck. Can I just literally use a Stripe like that? Like, can I just drop that in there? I expect it won't work, but yeah, Stripes. Hang on. Line 13. The fuck you mean? The fuck you talking about? Stripe should be a constructor. And where's load Stripe? Maybe we go get Stripe instead. Const. Drop out. If this doesn't work, I'm just going to ask good old friend ChatGPT. Yoink. Not that one. I really like this song, Eyes on Fire. Absolute classic of the dubstep era. And let's go chat GPT. Boom, that's the thing. And the error is this. Boom, X. Really, I'm just whipping this shit. Stripe from Stripe.js is not a constructed Stripe object in Stripe.js used on the client side via load Stripe, while server side Stripe should be imported from Stripe. Oh. All right, so I'm going to need to import both. All right, hold up, let me. That is annoying. That looks the same. I'll use Stripe only in server-side code. All right, that makes sense. So get Stripe. I mean, let's just fucking fuck it, we ball. And drop that in there. Like, I know that this line's wrong, so it'll be incorrect. Even if it did work. Yeah, there we go. Only in server-side code. Do we need to do anything server-side with it? Hang on. Where's it thrown? Yeah, in Stripe only in server-side. So let's then grab Stripe, and we're going to import Stripe as SS. Actually, let's go SS Stripe. Is it that going to behave? Stripe is already defined. That should be fine now that I've defined it as something else, right? I totally have forgotten how to do this for default exports. Stripe is already defined. Let me do this. Come on. All right, let's try it this way. Boom, 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 boom. Come on, buddy. You can do it. We do have errors out the wazoo. Let's just refresh it and see if it complains about that specifically. And then we'll know that we definitely can't do it. Yep, it's complaining about that specifically. Oh, actually, wait. Wait, what? Stripe. Product ID, get price ID, await Stripe price list. New Stripe. I mean, fuck it. Even though we're using it for server side, we'll deal with that server side issue independently. Stripe is not a constructor. Ah! Where the fuck do we leave all this? Not in a great spot, I'll tell you that. Because that doesn't work either. Alright, import Stripe from Stripe. Import Stripe from Stripe instead of Stripe.js. That's incorrect. Get price list returns an array. It does not return the product object. So accessing that was, I feel like that is not what I want to do at all, but okay. Oh, it's going by the prices. So it's getting all the fucking that ain't right. None of this is right. Thanks, ChatGPT. None of that's fucking right. Use Stripe only in server-side code. That should be fine. We're on fucking... Right, unless we... No, because get Stripe... Where the fuck do we even use get Stripe? Oh, export default get Stripe. Alright, so let's just undo all of that, right? And we'll export it from there. Like, let's run that back. Not that one. Probably this one. Nope. Config authenticator provided. Definitely should be providing a Stripe secret key. What the fuck are you talking about? Unless I'm actually not. Hang on. Where do I reference it? Somewhere else. Stripe. Whoop. Didn't want to get that much. Yoink. And let's jump back. Ooh, that would be the one. Actually, we probably want to leave that one as it is. So let's go here and paste that. Or not. Let's go with this one. And see if that'll behave. Well, so what API I'm using? Yeah, it's okay. I'm literally providing it to you. What more do you want from me? No, alright. I don't know if I have a... Let's jump into the M file real quick. I actually don't have it. Oh. Check out Stripe. Secret key. Press the same Stripe key. Create that does make sense because load Stripe does not exist there. It's Stripe secret key. And let's let that run. All right, now we have it. No, we do not have it provided. God, that is just annoying. All right, you know what? I'm just going to yoink all of this straight the fuck out and put it in the thing that we're referencing it in, which is rather annoying. Oh, we're also loading Stripe there. So. Wait, hang on. Where am I using Stripe promise? Stripe promise down that for Stripe. Like, this code is an absolute mess, as I've been saying. Like, I make an absolute fucking fool of myself with this shit. But hey, if it's working, it is working. Anyway, so boom, boom, that should probably be defined above it, and we need access to it. So let's go with this. Just whack that in there, and we'll just call this straight up Stripe, unless it's already been imported as Stripe. Get price ID is already defined. Oh, because we were fucking importing it. Let's get rid of that one. What do you want? Stripe's already defined? No, it's not. Let's let that refresh. And we'll just watch complain. Or Stripe prices is undefined. Because this is not the way that we probably should be accessing it. What we want to do is literally just grab the fucking product. So hang on, where was it? What's the API? Give me the fucking SDK. Give me the SDK. Where the fuck to go? There. So it's just this. After we have an active Stripe, we can just hit them with this. Alright, so let's do that. Kill that. Console log the product just to make sure that it's all Gucci. And then we want to, I believe, return the, what is it, like default pricing or some shit? Let's run this again so we can double check it. Yeah, default price. Data. I think it's going to be like this. And we'll just let that run. Stripe products is undefined. You gotta be kidding me. Access property retrieve. Stripe products is undefined. Why the fuck Stripe products undefined? Load Stripe. Next Stripe publishable key. We actually don't have a Stripe publishable key set. Oh yeah, no, we actually do have the Stripe publishable key set, which might explain why I was having issues with this bad boy. Stripe promise, we want that. And then we'll probably also need this. Failed to load Stripe.js. What the fuck do you mean? What are you talking about? We probably need to actually import this from Stripe.js and get rid of that one. Now we're back where we started. And hopefully it'll behave a little bit better. Hasn't crashed so far, but we do have a bunch of errors. Failed to load Stripe. Can't access retrieve. Gosh. How the fuck am I, like... Where the available products, right? All right, here we go. Load Stripe and Stripe. See where we use that. There. Then we go to the Stripe promise. So let's go back into this. Let's paste this in here. Rep. So we want to bring in load Stripe. That's fine. Let's comment that one out. Not that one. Let's see where we use this. Stripe equals await Stripe. Stripe equals await Stripe. And then we should just be able to use it directly, right? Oh, hang on. Nope, we want to go back to here. And yeah, we can just await the Stripe. All right, that looks better. I mean, it doesn't look better, but it looks like it may work. Cool. Cool. Nope. Can't retrieve. Stripe products is undefined. Why the fuck is stripe.products undefined? Stripe.products. Let's just dump this shit here and we'll see what we get. See what it comes out. Cannot read, undefined. Oh, Stripe products retrieve. What fucking API am I using that? Maybe I'm using the wrong API. Like this just don't make no sense. Whatever. Hang on, let's just jump to API. Fuck me. It's gonna want me to use this weird one again. Hang on, what is this? Can I copy it? No, let me fucking copy the text here. All right, we're gonna do it. We're going old school. Once fucker loads. Oh, actually, that's fine. Let's grab that. And we're gonna have to. So when we initialize load stripe here, I'm pretty sure I can pass in the type. Load stripe. Return stripe promise. The API version. Actually, let's just do a search for it because I know that I've had to use this in another place somewhere. There we go. The fuck? What is this? Whatever. Let's just go with this. We're doing it. We're doing it the worst way possible because I just can't be fucked with this anymore. Boom, boom, boom. Stripe, new stripe. Let's check how we've used that. New stripe. And it's just literally just stripe. Get price ID so we can get rid of all of this shit. Actually, get rid of that one. 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 And let it run. Let's kill that. Crashed. It's crashed. Pages confirm index. Please tell me that I'm on the right page. That's embarrassing. Yeah, it's grabbed the fucking product. It's got my product right here. Product.data.default price. Maybe it just doesn't need the .data in there. And that should be right. Nope. Why are you like this? This definitely should be defined, right? Let's check everything. Yep, that looks fine, looks fine, looks fine, looks fine, looks fine, looks fine, looks fine. Looks fine. Unless it wants me to fucking drop one of these bad boys into the fucking const. Like, what do you want from me? What more can I give you? And it crashed. API key no config authenticator provided. I just don't understand why I'm complaining about this. Fuck, my background is red. Do I use Stripe anywhere else? Hang on. The fuck does this mean? Forbidden not null assertion, whatever. Don't care. You put the right fucking thing on what's it. It's still not behaving. Let me close that. And where was it? Yeah, it's literally just stripe require stripe. Test secret key. Wait, retrieve product. Products.retrieve. Why the fuck? Require stripe. Stripe equals require. Fuck it, we're doing this. We're going this way. Where are we? We in the right place? Yes, we are. We're doing it this way. I should probably get rid of that one. Let's get rid of that. Well, there just ain't no way. Nope. The fuck do you want from me? I've given you the key. Unless it explicitly wants me to specify like API key as this value and not just pass in the key. Like if it wants me to do something stupid, like undo all of that, redo fucking that one, right? And then just go like API key. It's going to be capital. Like there's no way that works. Stripe's already been declared. Where did I declare stripe? I declared it on there, so let's comment that out. Oop, I think I have turned screen keys off. There we go. Screen keys is back on. Invalid API key provided. Stripe authentication error. All right, so what's the key that we're using here? And Stripe secret key. That should be fine. Whatever. That's got to be that one. Stripe. Like it's not the Stripe publishable key, unless it is. Oh, my shit is running out of disk space, apparently. Let me just fire this bad boy up real quick. Reconnect chat. Don't miss anything. Nope. Wrong API key again. All right, so why? Why? What other keys do we fucking have? Stripe. Yeah, it's literally just those three. All right, so we've already tried these. Unless I need to do like import.env. Whoop, shit. So that it gets the fucking thing correctly. All right, you know what? Fuck it. We're just going to go this way and go yoink and paste that bad boy straight in. You now have the key explicitly set. If it crashes, I'm going to, oh fuck, gravity. I'm going to fire RuneScape back up and low hack myself. Yep, nah. All right, I'm going to take 5 again and cry myself to sleep for the next 5 minutes. But actually, I lived on this one because it's cool as fuck. Boy, I might fuck around with lighting as well to try and make it look a little bit better. But yeah, BRB in 5 to 10. Oh, actually, we've lost audio. Off that one can stay off and that can go back on. All right, cool. Yeah, see you all in like 5 to 10 minutes. Fucking love this hat. If I can fucking flick it. Boom. Fucking love this cowboy hat. Let's turn the video capture off and see you all in a bit.